Raffles Boston at 430 Stuart Street is the newest residential development in Boston's Back Bay neighborhood, introducing a dramatic and sophisticated addition to the city's skyline. Directly next to the John Hancock Tower, the homes in this building remain some of the most sought after in the U.S. Completed in 2023, the tower is almost 400 feet tall, with 35 floors and contains 146 ultra-luxury units. The sleek glass building has a five-star hotel, with 147 guest rooms on the lower levels and residences which begin on floor 16. This video will go over everything you need to know about the building, units, amenities, floor plans, pricing, and location. As always, feel free to message, email, or call me with additional questions about this property, other luxury buildings, or Boston real estate in general. My contact information is here on screen and in the description below. Now, why is this building so special? Raffles is unique in that it is the most location-specific hotel brand in the world. Historically, they were only in Asia, more recently in Europe, and for the first time ever in North America, here in Boston, Massachusetts. The cost to build Raffles Boston was over $400 million, $22 million of which went to public benefits to support affordable housing initiatives in the city. With over 16 distinctive gathering spaces, including a variety of exclusive venues, dedicated solely to the building's residents, the amenities and services at Raffles are truly like no other. The project's design team included the award-winning firm Stonehill Taylor, responsible for the hotel and restaurant interiors. Rockwell Group designed the fitness center, spa, residential amenities, and condominium unit interiors. Studio Paolo Ferrari designed the Long Bar restaurant venue. The lead design team was TAT Architects, who have worked on numerous other luxury developments throughout Boston. The residences at Raffles Boston are located at 430 Stuart Street, looking over the Back Bay, Charles River, downtown, Boston skyline, and beyond. The residential entrance is on Stuart Street and leads into a lobby featuring tall wooden front doors. Inside, you'll find chevron pattern wood flooring, hand-inlaid wood wall covering, and light suede wall paneling. Sandwiching the three-level sky lobby and a full level of operational space, the residences begin on floor 16. Which is home to 38 studios ranging between 430 and 600 square feet. 1, 2, and 3 bedroom condos ranging between approximately 600 and 3,000 square feet begin on floor 21. The 3 and 4 bedroom penthouses ranging from 2,400 to 4,000 square feet occupy floors 34 and 35. One of the penthouses is a duplex with circular stairs connecting the two floors and terraces off the living space and master bedroom. The elegant unit finishes begin at the doorway and foyer. Dark-stained walnut entry doors to the units pair electronic keys with old-fashioned door knockers. While the units were being designed, the architects aimed to create a contemporary take on a Back Bay townhouse. Standard kitchen finishes include tan-colored European ash cabinetry and gray-flecked ivory Calcutta marble. Kitchens were designed to be open and spacious with Stivali cabinets, Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, and Calcutta marble counters. 3/4 inch engineered wood flooring ensures structural stability and a more natural feel throughout the homes. The marble-clad bathrooms have separate frameless glass showers, egg tubs, and double vanities. However, the studio units have a more conventional fitted tub and a single vanity. The one-bedroom units and above feature a primary bedroom suite with a 5-piece ensuite bathroom. Floor-to-ceiling windows in the living rooms give city views, or for some, a look all the way to the Harbor Islands. Ceiling heights are 9 feet 6 inches in the majority of the units, with penthouses notching up to 10.5 feet. Larger units feature cove-lighted ceilings, bringing a dramatic effect to the spaces. Really quick, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor in Boston, and I help people from all over buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you have any questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can find my contact information in the description of this video. Now, looking at pricing and floor plans, Raffles Boston is about 70% sold out at the time of this recording, with an average sales price of $4 million. The average price per square foot is $2,500. Studios range between 463 and 650 square feet, with prices between $1.4 and $1.97 million. One bedrooms range in size between 950 and 1,200 square feet, with prices ranging between $2 and $3 million. Two bedrooms range in size between 1,200 and 1,900 square feet, with prices between $3.4 and $5.8 million. 3 bedrooms and over range in size from 2,300 and 6,200 square feet, with prices between $6.2 and $18 million. Several buyers so far have combined units, which may still be an option for those interested at this point. HOA fees are just about $2 per square foot. For example, a 2-bedroom unit with 1,300 square feet just sold for $3.4 million with an HOA fee of $2,600 per month. When looking at the amenities and services residents get, this fee seems pretty justified. Quoting from one of the lead developers, what sets Raffles Boston apart from the other luxury towers in the city is that this building is all about fun. Our diverse amenity spaces offer our guests and residents a true vertical neighborhood experience. As mentioned, this property has a total of 16 different amenity spaces throughout the residences and hotel. Owners have access to 6 different resident-only amenity spaces on the 21st floor, including a secret garden, a garden-like space offering a Singapore-inspired tea experience, the residence library, which is a lounge area in the Emerald Terrace and alfresco dining area, the sports lounge where residents can watch movies or sports, or play on the golf simulator and billiards table, the Nantucket Cottage tasting kitchen and wine lounge, and lastly, the residents' private dining room. Residents also have access to the hotel's many different food and beverage options. These include a 2-story signature restaurant on Trinity Place, a lobby-level Raffles Cafe, a Sky Lobby fine dining restaurant, a Sky Terrace lounge, a signature Sky Bar, and a hidden speakeasy for late-night drinks and dining. On the 17th floor, there is another Raffles signature, the Writer's Lounge. Moving on to the wellness spaces, residents have access to the expansive gym, featuring a sauna, steam room, and a hot tub, along with dozens of pieces of high-end weight and cardio equipment. Another standout feature is the 20-meter indoor pool overlooking Copley Square. Residents will also be able to use the hotel spa and receive discounts on treatments. In terms of services, Raffles Boston is unmatched. Residents have a selection of on-demand services and benefits designed to add comfort, delight, and ease to each day. From discerning butler services to preferred access and rates at Raffles hotels across the globe. Some of the core offerings for owners include a 24-hour dedicated residential concierge, doorman, security, valet, and maintenance. There are also butler services available on demand. Wine selection services from Raffles Boston's wine expert can easily be arranged. There are often food and beverage tasting events in the residence tasting kitchen and wine lounge. Some of the a la carte services include in-residence dining, catering, and a dedicated personal chef who will shop for you. There are also in-residence spa services, which include a nutritionist, health, and wellness consultations. Additional services include childcare, dry cleaning and laundry, private transportation, in-residence housekeeping, and a while you are away maintenance package, which is a turnkey in-residence maintenance solution for residents who frequently reside elsewhere. There is also newspaper and magazine delivery to your door, pet minding, walking, and related services. This massive catalog of options is not available in any other luxury building in Boston, making this offering highly unique. Residents also have discounts at Raffles hotels worldwide and have priority seating and discounts in all the building's restaurants. Of course, one of the main reasons this building is so special is the Back Bay location. Seated in Copley Square, Raffles is in walking distance to the best shopping, dining, and entertainment options available. Owners can get to the world-famous Newbury Street in under 2 minutes. Downtown Boston, Beacon Hill, and the waterfront neighborhood are all within walking distance as well. For those in need of public transit, the Copley train station is just seconds away. The Boston Public Garden and Boston Common are 10 minutes walking distance. The Back Bay itself could be considered Boston's best neighborhood and is highly sought after with dozens of unique amenities. The location is truly hard to beat as it's really right in the middle of the city and offers quick access to the country's top hospitals, institutions, and company offices. Overall, Raffles Boston is taking position as one of the premier full-service luxury buildings in Boston, Massachusetts. This brand new development is arguably one of the top 5 best condo buildings here in the city. These residences are home to some of the most prominent figures in the state, offering a lifestyle of elegance and exclusivity. While the building is almost completely sold out, there are still offerings available for those looking to live in the Raffles residences. If you'd like to come tour this building in person, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can contact me anytime. I am always happy to help and love working with people who find me through my YouTube channel. Whether you already live in Boston or relocating here for school or work, I'm ready to assist with your unique needs and situation. Check the description to book a meeting, email or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.